Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga at Ganga. I am Amit. Today I have Karin with me to demonstrate sun salutation. So today in this video we will learn how to do step-by-step sun salutation with proper alignment of each posture and the breathing. So let's begin the practice. Standing tall on the top of your mat with the feet either together or slightly separate, but keeping the inner line of the feet parallel to each other. Keeping the arms extended beside your thighs and your shoulders rolled back, chest lifted up. Keep your all face muscles relaxed and gaze forward. Do not gaze to the floor while doing sun salutation, always gaze forward. Make sure your body is completely prepared for the practice of sun salutation. One can practice before sun salutation some joint movements and then go for the practice of sun salutation, especially for beginners. So for joint movements, there is a video that I made in the 30 days. The day one is very good for joint mobility. Let's begin. The first posture of sun salutation is Pranamasana. So for Pranamasana, inhale, take your arms over the head, and exhale, bring the palms in front of the chest. So in Namaskar Asana or Pranamasana, the salutation pose, the thumb is touching the middle of the chest where there is a heart center and your all fingers are together. With your elbows are close to the body and your shoulders are relaxed and your shoulder blades are falling down. Do not arch your back, engage your lower abdomen slightly. Make sure throughout the practice you don't force your body too much. It should be gentle flow practice like a vinyasa, flowing your body with the breath. This is the first position. From here we go to the second posture. Inhale and take your arms over the head. First the arms are extending at the level of your ears and the fingers are pointing up toward the ceiling with all fingers together. With the same inhalation you slightly arch back from the middle of your back with the chest lifted up. Slightly your hips comes forward, you engage your front thigh, keeping the foot strongly grounded on the floor. Now from here, exhale gently from the hips, straight arch, straight back, folding forward, keeping the palms beside the foot and leaning forward. It can be difficult for some person to keep the palms on the floor. They can keep their palms on their shin, holding the shin. Hold the shin. Yes, and just stay there with their knees slightly bent and their spine is extending. Do not overextend, just slight extension. Here we are bending the knee to get more ease with our lower back. Now from here, we will go to the next position, stepping your right leg back into the horse riding Asva Sanchalan equestrian pose. In Asva Sanchalan, your toes are tucked in, heels is pointing up, knees on the floor, keeping the both hips in one line and your fingers slightly behind in line with your back of the heel here. And your chest is open and you are looking forward or looking up. Do not strain the neck in this position. Those who feel difficult in this position, they can keep their palms on the floor like this. Now we go to the next position, that is mountain pose. From here, step your left foot back, both feet together. Spine is extending. So for beginners, what they can do, they can slightly separate their feet so they can release their hamstring and create more space in the hip joints. Extending the spine and your shoulders are away from the ears and your neck is relaxed. Now first inhale here and then exhale, hold the breath. Bring the knees on the mat, chest in between the palm, chin on the mat. This is a holding movement. You move your body while holding the breath out. Now from here, you can see first here, Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 limbs touching the floor. That is the toes or the 8 parts, the knees, the chest, both palms and the chin on the floor. Now from here, inhale, slide your chest forward without disturbing the palm, stretching the toes out. For beginners, toes out. And make sure your navel doesn't raise more than 4 fingers above the mat. So navel should not raise too much high. Elbows are bent, pointing back, shoulders roll back, looking forward. Now from there, tuck your toes in and coming into, with exhalation, into the mountain pose. So in mountain pose, the palms are shoulder distance apart, and you can separate the feet hip distance apart if you want in the beginning, or little bend the knee and push your hips far back towards the ceiling or towards the sky. From here, step your left foot in between the palm, right knee on the mat, open the chest. Now you can see when we did the horse riding pose before, it was the same position with the left leg forward and the right leg back. Again, our left leg is forward, right leg is back. So this will make a whole half round with the 12 postures. Then we do the half round again. That time what we do, our right leg will be forward and the left leg will be back in both horse riding pose. Now from there, step your right foot forward, gently exhale. So remember, when you step forward, after that you exhale and gently bend forward. Now inhale, come all the way up, arms extending at the level of your ears and slightly arch back. If it is difficult to arch back, keeping the spine extended, that's it. Slowly exhale and bring the palms in front of the chest. Thumb touching the sternum, elbows close to the body, shoulders relax. Feet together. So that was the half round of sun salutation. We will go for the half round more so you can understand how you move your body with the breath. First, staying in the Namaskar position, inhale and take your arms over the head, slightly arch back. Exhale and gently bend forward from the hips. Inhale, step your left foot back, left knee on the mat, open the chest. Look forward or look up. Exhale, gently coming into the mountain pose, feet together. Retain your breath out, bring the knees on the mat, chest in between the palm, chin on the mat. Slide your chest forward, inhale, come into the cobra position, toes tucked in or stretched out. Exhale and gently tuck the toes in, come into the mountain pose. Step your right foot in between the palm, left knee on the mat, inhale, horse riding. Left foot forward, gently exhale, feet together, bend forward. Inhale, come all the way up, slightly arch back. Exhale and bring the palms in front of the chest. So I hope you understand each posture of sun salutation in very detail. Release your arms. So in the next video, we will do the 6 rounds of sun salutation. So you can do it while leading my instruction. It will be more easier you to follow my instruction and go for the practice. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. It was informative. If you feel it is informative, do like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.